All right, guys, here's a funny one. So for Christmas, actually for my birthday, I had purchased one of these for my dad, sent it to him from Amazon. It was about 40 bucks, and he returned the favor. He loved it so much. This is the Bug Assault. Obviously, I have another video out there showing you guys, but I've got a new, improved laser. Yeah, so anyway, after he bought that for my birthday, he ended up picking this laser up. These are on Amazon, eBay. I think they're somewhere between 20 and 30 bucks, depending on what kind you get. But it's obviously formulated mostly for this, just because of the clamping mechanism. So it just kind of clamps right over the kind of muzzle part of the gun, and obviously it uses some Allens that it comes with. I believe it uses three batteries. They look like this. If I can give you the number, it's an AG13 battery. Obviously, again, probably a couple bucks for a handful of them on eBay or Amazon. Yeah, anyway, so obviously, if you don't know what this is a gun that's filled with salt. It's pump action. You cock it back just like so, and then of course to release the safety, you flip that forward, and to be ready to go. And you can also tell that the sights flip up. Anyway, this is for basically bugs, mostly flies. It's hard to get to flies a lot, as you guys probably know. The fly swatters, electrical fly swatters, those it's a pretty hard shot to get those things. So anyway, this thing actually lets you get within 2 and 3 feet, and you just kind of pepper it, boom, with some salt. And if it doesn't kill it, which it usually doesn't, it just seems that it paralyzes them. You can pick them up, throw them outside, whatever you want to do. Helps you really eliminate the problem around the house, and not doing too much problem either. In my other video, I show you how much salt it actually uses, so go check that out if you guys want to see more about this and its unboxing. But anyway, this is about the laser. Really goofy video, but like I said, it clamps down with the Allens right here, right over the muzzle, and obviously the push button here on the back. I've already got the 3 batteries in it, and you can see it's no different than any laser you've ever seen before. But it's kind of funny because the sights, if you kind of look at the sights, I won't be able to get it for you, but just because of the angle. But when you sight it up here and you come down here to the other sight, it just, it's just not like a normal gun, obviously. So, it definitely works. Obviously, you don't need a laser. It's just for fun and shits and giggles, really. But I thought it was a funny little attachment that they come with. They've even got bags, like holsters, straps. They come in different colors. Camo, they come in pink camo. Anyway, but yeah, the laser, just a goofy little attachment. But you can see anytime, instead of sighting it up, you can kind of just fly around the house and try to pick you off some bugs or whatever. Anyway, but again, goofy video, but wanted to show you guys it. Just a fun little attachment for this thing. And anyway, but I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process. Hope you guys like this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and I do a video a day. They're not the greatest videos, but I put them out there so that I can get enough content out there to meet YouTube's requirements. Hope you guys like this video, and I can't wait to catch you guys in the next one. See you guys.